several years ago, I was in a head-on collision, and a woman came over in my lane and hit me. And she didn't have insurance, but I had uninsured motorist, so I got $100,000 out of it. My lawyer took $25,000 of that. And then when we all settled up, he said that I needed to pay the insurance company another $15,000. And he had a name for it, but I can't remember. And I've always wanted to ask another lawyer if that's the correct thing that they did.
All right, thank you, John.
Well, I think in that kind of case, it's one of those things where your uninsured motorist coverage, paid the claim, but your relationship with the lawyer was probably based on whatever the agreement was you signed with him. I know that contingency fees are sometimes difficult to understand, but they're a way that they're a method that trial lawyers use to let people have access to the courthouse because it costs a lot to prosecute these cases. What do you think, John?
Yeah, and I think the other aspect of your question, John, is the other fee you had to pay back to your insurance company. If health insurance paid some of your costs, then there's a thing called subrogation. It's a fancy word that has to be reimbursed back to the original insurance company that would have paid those medical bills.